to develop a strong attitude. Positive attitude.
I don't know, some girl with M&M toes like that. All right, left on guard stance. Hut.
Kia.
Back fist only. 1,
Kia.
2,
Kia.
3,
Kia.
4,
Kia.
5.
Kia.
Now, back fist reverse punch. 1,
Kia.
2.
Kia.
Turn into that a little bit, that reverse punch, okay? Because that's power. You want to get as much power as you can. 3,
Kia.
4,
Kia.
5.
Kia.
There you go. Back fist, reverse punch, ridge hand. 1,
Kia.
2,
Kia.
M&M fingers 2. Wow. 3,
Kia.
4,
Kia.
5.
Kia.
Good job, sweetie. Change stance. Hut.
Kia.
Okay, back fist, reverse punch, ridge hand. 1,
Kia.
2,
Kia.
3,
Kia.
4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Back fist, reverse punch. 1,
Kia.
remember, turn into a little bit. 2,
Kia.
3,
Kia.
do that with your foot too. Okay. 3,
Kia.
you mean Kia? 4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Now, back fist only. 1,
Kia.
2,
Kia.
3,
Kia.
4,
Kia.
5.
Kia.
Change stance. Hut.
Kia.
Okay, front kick with the back leg. 1,
Kia.
and 2,
Kia.
and 3,
Kia.
and 4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Okay, round kick with the front leg. 1,
Kia.
and 2,
Kia.
and 3,
Kia.
and 4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Inside kick. 1,
Kia.
push that heel out. Push that heel out. 2,
Kia.
okay, turn your toes down a little bit more. 3,
Kia.
4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Change stance. Hut.
Kia.
Front kick with the back leg. 1,
Kia.
and 2,
Kia.
and 3,
Kia.
and 4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Round kick with the front leg. 1,
Kia.
and 2,
Kia.
and 3,
Kia.
and 4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Side kick. 1,
Kia.
and 2,
Kia.
and 3,
Kia.
and 4,
Kia.
and 5.
Kia.
Great position. All
So,
right. Now, self-defense. Good. Don't let go until you hit. Okay. And on the shoulder. Oh my goodness, your hand's cold. Come here. And walk away. And bye-bye. And grab and snake. Good job, sweetie. Thumb. Oh, cold hands. Just like? Okay. Now, when you did that, it gave you the dainty tea party grip. Okay. I want you to make sure you grab it nice and tight. All right? Because if you grab somebody like that, all they have to do is just flip their hand and they'll get free. Okay? All right, ready position.
sir.
All right. Well, I'm sorry, that was the test. Now we have to do the real one. I mean, that was a practice. Now we have to do the real test. I'm just kidding. Okay. Here's your next goal sheet. Okay. And this is the new stuff that we're going to be working on now. All right. And we have this beautifully framed certificate that says, today you have become a yellow belt. And then we have this old piece of cloth here. All right, so take off that white belt. This might be a little bit long, but that's okay. that is yours forever and ever. You can pull that out to show your grandchildren one of these days and say, look, Granny used to take karate.
Or I could go and show my teacher.
Yeah, you could. All right. So here's your, give you a pie milk. Duh, I'm sorry. I will be right back with the right